What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you.
Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, making money from home is what everybody wants now, and it has been made easy because there are several platforms where you can make money from home. In this video, I'll be showing you how I'm making thousands of dollars online from home weekly from ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. Yes, ClickBank Affiliate Marketing is a platform where you can sell products for the company and get commission for each product to sell. And the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission, or the number of products to sell per day, the higher your commission per day also. As you all know that marketing, for marketing to occur, we need to have a product, the buyer, the seller, and the main concept behind this is marketing also. And marketing is just getting people to know about the products you have in store so that they can purchase and buy them. So in that ClickBank Affiliate Marketing, you have to promote the products to the buyers that need the product so that they can purchase the products, and you getting your own commission. And due to my experience in affiliate marketing, I have gathered a lot of experience, and also as an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, and I've developed several software that could help me to promote my affiliate products to targeted audience for me to get commission. And I have this software which I'll be using over the time now, and it is out for everyone that values it. Yes, my software works by gathering thousands of organic traffic online daily and promoting your affiliate product with this organic targeted traffic for you to get commission like the one you can get on the screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students. Yeah, Michael. He got my software I think on the 18th or 19th, and he started earning on the 20th. Yes, with my software, you're going to be having access to daily sales on affiliate marketing. Yes, and the beauty about my software is that it's not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, even on Shopify or any affiliate marketing platform or any store you want to promote out. Yes, my software is very efficient and capable to give you excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yeah, so to get started and get my software and video course, yes, I've recorded a complete video course that will guide you step by step on how to use my software. Even as a beginner that does not know anything about affiliate marketing or about my software, my video course contains the step by step method by you from creating the account on ClickBank to registering to picking products and to using my software to get commission. My video course contains every step. So to get my software and video course and start on any of your affiliate marketing platform, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward071@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward071@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get started and start earning from home, even as a beginner. Yeah. Once again, I go by the name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.